arbitrationagreements.org. Today we are diving into an intriguing aspect of the American legal system, the simple yet solemn process of swearing an oath in court. Picture yourself stepping onto the witness stand in a courtroom, feeling a buzz of gravity in the air. Now let's talk about what happens next. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low when legal problems occur. First off, the act of swearing an oath in court is like giving a firm handshake to the truth. It's a tradition that has roots going way back to ancient civilizations. Swearing in is a gesture of commitment, a promise to stick with the facts and nothing but the facts. It's your way of saying, I am here to tell the truth. Now you might find this interesting. A study found that people are generally honest. Yes, in daily life, the average person tells about 2 lies per day. And that makes the courtroom scenario quite unique because here, you are bound by a moral and legal obligation to be entirely truthful. Now let's chat about the physical gesture that usually accompanies swearing an oath. Typically, you would raise your right hand. This practice actually has its roots in the Roman times, and it symbolizes a display of honesty and a gesture of goodwill. Now, another focal point in this process is the Bible, or sometimes another sacred text, on which you place your other hand. The choice of the text can be aligned with your personal, religious, or philosophical beliefs. And here's a little nugget of information. Nowadays, in many places, you can even choose to affirm instead of swear, which basically means you are making a solemn promise, without any religious connotations. Moving on, I'd like to share an interesting tidbit. According to research, false testimonies are relatively rare. Yes, perjury, which is the legal term for lying under oath, is a felony that could land a person in jail for up to 5 years. It seems the gravity of the courtroom and the act of swearing an oath indeed keeps most people on the straight and narrow. I hope this little chat has given you some insights into the simple yet profound act of swearing an oath in court. It's a practice steeped in tradition, a blend of history, morality, and law, binding individuals to their word, fostering a space where truth is held in the highest regard. For more information about this process, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about the process of swearing an oath in court? Does it seem perfect the way it is, or do you think the U.S. court system should make any changes? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.